The software program you create for each OKE is its brain. The program decides exactly how the OKE will act in a battle situation. The better you are at programming, the more likely you are to defeat your enemy. You design software programs in Carnage Heart by using chips. There are 40 different chips, which can be combined into an action program by linking them together on the chip table, which represents the OKE's CPU. Each chip contains a set of commands, such as move forward or detect enemy in a designated area. You can customize the internal settings of a chip to perform the tasks you desire. The program you assemble on the chip table is executed in sequence from the top left to the bottom right. The green arrows on each chip indicate the normal flow of the process. If a chip also has a red arrow, the chip's behavior depends on a set of conditions. If the conditions shown in the chip settings are true, the chip diverges the flow of the process to the red arrow. Now, let's watch an OKE in action and see how its behavior is determined by the program. The movement of this OKE is determined by a combination of two chip commands which tell it to move forward if it detects an enemy within 300 meters. To avoid an incoming missile, this OKE jumps to the right. The sequence of chips that makes this happen detects an incoming projectile within 60 meters, and then, with a 50% probability, makes the OKE jump to the right. Here, the OKE is firing its missile subweapon. The first chip in this sequence detects an enemy presence within 65 meters. The next chip checks that the OKE has subweapon ammunition remaining, and the final chip fires the subweapon at the enemy. If the program detects that no subweapon ammunition is left, the process flow is diverged to activate the main weapon instead. Here, the OKE has been programmed with a search pattern. One chip asks if an enemy is detected within an area set to 300 meters in the front, while another chip asks if there are enemies within 180 degrees on the right. If both answers are no, the program commands the OKE to turn left until it detects an enemy. By linking such OKE software sequences together into an efficient action program, you can create a variety of deadly OKEs. After you have finished your software programming, it is wise to make sure that everything works before you finalize your design card. From the design screen, select Test. On the test screen, select OK on the bottom right to begin a combat test. The combat test ends with the destruction of either side, or after 150 seconds. If you are happy with the way your OKE has performed, you may finalize your design card by selecting Approved Design. To acquire new OKEs and weapons, you may purchase blueprints from 6 weapon dealers on Earth. Select Negotiation from the command screen, and a list of the 6 companies appears. Choose a company and select Blueprints to see their wares. Select the blueprints you are interested in, check their descriptions, and then purchase the desired blueprints. You can also select R&D to invest in weapons development. Improve the performance of a blueprint by selecting Optimization. And find out what your enemy is up to by selecting Information. Once you have an OKE fully designed and ready for battle, you'll need to decide on your battle tactics. Selecting Tactics from the command screen will bring you to the base command screen. The base command screen is where you make decisions regarding OKE production and the organization of OKE units.